Mogacho.
Hey.
Bigacho, Mogacho.
Welcome back, Ravarovoya.
Bapa hoy mukosi ba dibori ko perform rima viri.
Yane.
Rovoya.
We're
back.
Man. We're back.
We're back.
And we're welcoming a new hairstyle.
Must be doing what's nice. Welcome. This is your new host. This is your new host.
Wonderful.
This is your new host. This is your new host. You know how it is. This is TWT for you, baby. You know how we do it. This is TWT for you, baby. Daddy say for you, baby. No for like Toho, baby. You know how we do it. We back. Pala. You know how we do it. Kabuye fefe. What?
Oh, shawa mga style. Maroya watu unori adam dinwogo. Onori officially halfway. What do
you know how we do it? TWT for you, baby.
Najipoti jotuwa. Na musu tangala ara niki dibera tanga cha yar kana kareka zigubu. Hai. Alani.
Shura ne ba.
Lo mudoro ko mu bishop omuntu. Zino ko vogara.
Zino ndisodi.
Ala matanga.
Ndo changa zunda ichijia zwe.
Ndonga namwe outage fitani. Yachi drangwe ndani kana ndiya temeri. Yaita zo drive in, chita zo gurisa drive in apala. Yachi ranga zikati edzi.
Mapungwala alla fimi mapungwala no gerona skaita mafimi madreze. Ndiya kutukana bakala. Magara agero atorari. Ebona
itogamwela kigidezi.
Itoganwe.
Obana mabada na banda abamraji ko ndinamsi. Abanda oba. Riko muzeri ai. Kutobana na matanga kareka chigubu na muzi. Halana azikareka chiva abako foda zvinepe toyando.
Mutethelele.
Babo kana zoshota batokopira.
Ndimutethelele.
Abantu bamutethelele tikareka nifela ngini mateki. Mara enough about the German cards.
Back, man. Welcome back. TWT for you, baby. You know how we do it. Bondi bakwedadi bo 30 cents. TWT for you, baby. This your boy Nema. This your boy 35 cents. You know how we do it.
Ila atne woni draw 50 cents kamtana.
Idonga ufana nayo mara la timus.
Tonge to draw. You draw kamtana yoni ngolo 50 cents. Mara what I saw sorry. Udonga tiyo quarter 50 cents. Ila attention 50 cents. And Okwambori he's willing to have it fixed. So I'm hoping uri
ngaleza watu
yeah mara I think you're allowed futhi bakono doba yeah baita zumeta zone uri
banga draw something apala kayo
draw
ndawo apala ngamthana mina
right or at least mara helani to sumbezo wari ndi jungle sand.
It's 30 cents baby on the back baby.
Nalito. The farra punch. Ndiposa punchline.
Ndichama zione.
Ndiposa punchline zinoremera. Upira bloodproof ya kuto.
Ndi album ya CRG nantu hapo zino.
Yeah.
Na Fizi. Album.
Yeah, one couple of tracks man.
Yo mara hai ndani ko fa but ndi mara ngo bakhila bana hola
kala album.
Hey batondo tanga umfako general. Are ori akwamba ngathi relevant mini hey. Yeah, album naifa Fizi and CRG.
That's something we haven't seen in a long time. Yeah,
Tshivhangi. And you know what? I like the fact that CRG is doing real rap.
This whole like hango change the sound yawe. He remained if na mrawa ngeni ako dena na track like his original
the
sound.
Rap.
His original rap.
Zazino ashena rap venda.
Nah.
Ashena rap. Ngwana
Metro with our rapper.
Metro with a rap. We don't have that rap.
And the combination of when Fizz, which is Afro pop plus hip hop and like rap, like the way by Dianga.
Big up to Fizz, man. Fizzy, the hooks, you killing the thing.
Fizz, I go when you just a few chapalani.
Fizz can do trap. Fizz can do a cry song, can do a love song. And I tell you, a trap song that you want to bump on a turn-up song.
Yeah, he's good, man. That guy is good.
Fizz is good, man.
Fizz
is good.
Fizz
I
is
think
dope, man.
that album so far, ne? Yeah, me is on the Quaifa, but now this album it's rap.
It's rap.
He was rapping. CRG was rapping. He was rapping the real rapping
He
thing.
brought out that hardcore that he used to be.
Yeah, the gangster thing. So far, I think ka rap ne. Ngori Mizoro rapper, Ashengo rapper. So I think Metro CMG Nene, he does do the rap. Cool Fellow, he does do the rap. CRG, the album, man, rapping. That's rapping. Yeah. Na Adolfo, yeah, we are rapper, ne. So Argasi ambenga matanga wanga sabo Make J, they don't rap anymore. Mizo, he's all about flexing. So Achaba rap a little via. Now we want to rap. We want to rap. Now sometimes I do flexing, sometimes I do rap, but when I rap, sometimes I go hard. Mara to get someone who
raps like that. Days, like the whole album.
Album yote asapia pangana. Hey. Yeah.
I can do it.
Kama napenda kwamba rekodi album ne. Una nyimbo zenu nene kufazo album ningasingware track your rapper. Kai track yaso. Wala muna akoro rapper over 3 verses akoro rapper ukaichopera. Ndara una pa nimsu ndoimba mu. I'm the chocolate. Shout out to
talking about rapper again. No, imba. Una vaimbe banji bene bakonito oda ushumana yuni.
Yeah.
Men Geli resigned. Mara or resign for any moon.
Yeah. Arari batwayengo reshume. Arshume. I think next year also I will try and take more artists in the ones stable. Shall we do this? So since this year, Studio Tshivhangi Mara next month studio which will be opening. We have
June.
Yeah, June na studio. Actually, we're going to have 2 studios. Na studio cha Venrap ngeni. Rabana studio we do this. So we're going to combine those and yeah, it's going to be an epic thing, man.
And this thing yori music wa vai. Nas dana just the royalties zawe na kazi digital sales. Ridola.
Oyo ambaro ozulwana ro za watu banji mara ngambi. Onubuza zori ebana come and let's do paperwork. He will send you the money. Angozulwana bo 40,000. Ya royalties. Anayisema nduni ngejipinga na coffee ariko unwana koro umbelera.
Now the problem with your artists they come. You help them with the distribution stuff.
Yeah.
Then they don't come back. You trying to get hold of them, or even they don't even follow up on their stuff.
Yeah.
I have to go around checking your stuff, doing follow up, finding these, calling you, ignoring re. Tini phone number is already busy.
Yeah.
Don't phone them raw. That phone na rutanda wanza phone him raw. Ni kono zi phone na inuri. Ni deli chance ko zura ninge.
Ewana, come take your royalties. Digital distribution is simple body.
Yeah.
The royalties are easy to get. You get whatever you get.
And then if I decide to sign you, it's free to if I decide to help you,
yeah.
And help you with the distribution, I actually do it for free.
Yeah, I also do it for free.
Yeah, we do it for free. But I think another phone 5%. Hi.
Sanga misi michinini na zori nanyi Rina our boy Ndengwa yo peza
Ya mvenda
Mama's boy.
Yeah. Ini don't mbuza Ite wa Tshivindi wewe
Tshivindi imbo zali ni bebe
I don't blame man.
I don't blame man. Oh I'm not wa Tshivindi Ndikona kama pfura uri Afa wona Tshivindi
Eleduwa Actually no yema nikutoyisa Teresa machero Talking about music Talking about music I think talking about actually not music Mara being a celebrity as a whole
Yeah.
celebrity nji umbora mumbroni wadzo dzi ṱoḓa u pfela vhuṱungu u pfeliwa vhuṱungu ngwana celebrity aita something we expect uri bathu ba jonga ndi muthu nene uya khakha na mini ngwana so mara most of the time celebrity aita something people but I mean vamo attack na mini no saying uri the guy na kadomba ngayo zwino oita something Soweto. We know Samting Soweto has been through a lot, thick and thin. Muzika wawe akuita zwino unyanga zwone zwa zwino. Akubvisa nokumana ufanya nyimbo ya Samting Soweto. Ngwana I think
this year to drop.
I don't think unombe drop no feature one. I'm sorry feature one adzidu mi ngwana na mina. So what do you think about people saying Samting Soweto?
What I'm going to tell you is one. Niyabona mtu odzura pasi ya mpapa we. Murunzini liko Mpisa.
Mpapa ona murunzi?
Yeah, waenda murunzi la muduni watu yeah. Kana ni veza bzika osokoro ditika nga trombo. Sina chisima. Avoruna data. Sometimes they try to chase the clout and they say zvitu zvine vasokoro takadzongori. Ndari so vatu vadota like out of the comment vadori mini. Ava humbuli uri the impact it brings into a person's life. Ngondo dzivula zvimwe post kwambo re positive. Masende HIV don't la police. People are saying things. Bangwe ni cheto vula proud some. I'll give you an example. Beni Mainganya could graduate.
Yeah.
We all know Rimfuma Beni Mainganya in this land. Chabu dike chonaka. The effect of Ambra Roko avore ana dikeve na mean. Now na twachi ko take wako sekela mara uri auna cheat auna madama uri auna mini
ngwazibona man
zozo ntakadza ndizo musi bathu vachimbo deva pull profile ya that guy wakuitela zvithu vachimbo pull profile yawe baba una vathu vane vavomimelela vambangana vori no mara you can't do this is social media bullying ava akuita mini kobona ngori vori vachimbo pull vana uri ndi mumwe muthu uvona ino sikutangana nawo ndiani mafungo sikutori tena ndina data. So now what when as long as they're on social media, they just speak.
Buying the likes.
Yeah, they just likes and they enjoy. Unapata vane bana maburi mimbiruni zabo. Unaka msi mtu unatazi yorotariwa na mama's boy.
Visera ninge.
Unaka 10 years otariwa mama's boy. So achibona mama's boy every day yako pirai. Unambiti. So uvisera mbiti zawe kabati la void yawe la burila we. Livare yanga mramuzi akovaisa mungu mutu. Ndio kutochira lori as long as nda heta mungu mutu. Ndi feel better. But zviite akavoyi rotoretiwa irito apfera butungu.
But the same thing happened ka KO that time. KO ora chunga chiyaba akadzi fimi akadzi benting dzawe kana mini
makoita mini
akori right end ngona
ngori ameni na video ya visla mndukana last video odzisimeza video akwa gym chono varini samisa kuti akwa gym simezo akwambori lifestyle yanga na zvine ndala na zvine ndanwa zo change and ndiko exercise kuita zwa so because I'm trying to achieve something. Come on. But let's not even go far. Una mtu anadora chini bona ini maybe after 3 months geli no ini man. Hey ngoro lamini. Hey no nda badi. Ndio no tambura. Okay.
Mazoro utambura zvitura no onda.
No onda no rwara na mini. Not knowing uri vanga
vathu gym uri ni onde afi homu noko la sharp.
Ningasi exercise kana ningasi gym uri ni build a body yanga ndena kuito danga ayo ngori.
Kana ni busy. Ni awani business something na zingo project. Na muri anikoula.
Yeah, ni busy.
Na stress and you hustling. Na ruza weight. But some people will always find a way to try to make fun of everything, you know. Trying to hate other people on social media. But expecting in much only
your media it's a beast. Media is a beast. So Mara celebrities, I think they should be strong.
One thing there is ways of dealing with this. Nyawona watu wanene waona waka social media. But the way nobody was scarce ngayo ne or how they control things. Nya bhale ronori ngava attackisa. And then there about the validation in kabatu. Because the other problem in yaba on your religious celebrity. But you not comment as well. but feel like complete I'm doing it. But still you can still do your stuff. Nisina social media, not so active that much. Using it for whatever or now but you're not there. You don't really need to be on social media for you to be validated. We know you buy something at the restaurant, you shoot, you post, people comment nice. Naranga taking so you need to wait, somewhere, but comment nice. Every single thing that you do, if you give it to social media and they have to validate you, even when things are bad, if they don't like and they say bad stuff, you need to accept these are my kids, these are my dogs, these are my vicious animals that I created.
I've seen Batubangi, they post, Arasoko comes in Mama's boy, right? Mama's boy has got a poster, Chidu personal kai, comes a poster, comes to Mama's boy to 1 hour account, your Facebook. So Mama's boy, the Muimbiaso. Mama's boy has got a performer, Lengoduva, our staging, but God forbid, go to Fanyisa. Ari comes see Gaspar Nyinyi as a performer staging, our staging, can I perform staging as a Takareri or staging. But Bazormin, one Mama's boy and never come in Facebook and Uzagamin. I could post, I could trend them, I could tell them, I wanted to defend. But watching it, one of Mama's boy, what I mean, Mama's boy, question me, mean. Do you blame Batu? Can any blame her? Who do you mean?
People do not know when to draw the line.
Mara, are people not supposed to comment, to talk about what happened to you? Even if I come do you feel okay? You guys are basing these things on moral. Moral and Kamuru, you are basing on this thing Kwakabutu.
No, as human, as human, you need to know.
Yeah,
but as social media, the way people are controlled in social media these days,
but
they don't care. Namusi hanga feature itea, usi na social media.
So,
listen, yeah.
One thing that anyone who's listening to this podcast right now, the only thing, there's something that you cannot control. How people should post, how people should react, how people should comment on post on social media. That one you will not ever be able to control. If you, already in Kofonga Batu was going to comment Gandira ine and Zufun. Nisingwamba Mafungo ane ado trigger about 2 months now.
Don't go to my son because of
you can't tell me how to post on my Facebook. I can do whatever you want. If your son or your daughter doesn't want me to post, come block. As I'm blocker, I will still say whatever I want to say. That's why Elon Musk Kwamba there need to be a freedom of speech when it comes to whatever you want to do on social media. It's not my fault to written post mini. If you don't want that thing to be shown, you can even hide your timeline.
Okay. Okay.
People are going to say about it.
Listen. I understand what freedom when people speak. That's what I'm telling you. These days, it's all about how many likes can I get.
Yes.
How many people can I hate? Yes. How many people can I via? Look, now I can post something on Facebook. But because the code, sometimes you'll find people work with that manner because they don't understand what I'm saying. And then only when they realize like, oh, this guy's saying this. But mostly the reason each one is in a comment, kind of like, kind of niggis on what I post is because I post things that you don't find a ground to attack me.
Yeah.
Come on. You don't find a way.
Yeah.
So because I always write things
so
in codes.
Based on what I'm saying, this is the interview Una this reality show of housewife of what? You have a housewife of
and they're gonna have a housewife of Limpopo.
Yes, it can be that. So Kayla show Udaba Fumakazi.
but udadzi it wife
vhafumakadzi vhane vha na tshelede it's either o wana kha munna wawe kana ngoro dzi asilera mina ngwana so abo ku interview mufumakadzi ene uba khenela show ngwana so ela show mufumakadzi mwana muṅwe uba ku dzhiwa lifestyle yawe na ku tshila yona mina ngwana hola musadzi wa mufumakadzi una ṅwana ane a vhutonga una 13 kana 14 years una account ya mini ya Facebook na Instagram na mina ngwana so nga nḓila ino ola mufumakadzi tshila ngayo kha fika mini kha ila show uba tongani mufumakadzi ene u dzhela vhafumakadzi vhanna mini unoba ndi mahalo zwo kangwa na mini so vhathu vhaya kha social media yo la ṅwana bamba bari mini ngwana aba vhathu vho khakha huno ri miyawe ndivone vhane vha khou ita lifestyle yabo ito raro
okay mani ni vhudzi if the kid is 13 ne
asini na niko to lifestyle ya raro
mari ndalisa something thi ṅwana na 13
vana theka na initi
no ṅwana arana ṅwana because una 13 and I know ma 30 something and you're going to say whatever has sexuality on it then it becomes a problem
so simoto tazo ndini
tazo ndi ini na kwamba zori miyanu wako ita sona so but
tazo ndini
no both of you
nini comment
ndini waro ko posta kantu ya ṅwana no if you inbox or na posta man listen if na posta ka wole ya ṅwana ti na 13 now inbox
this ndini this is only one wawe
no do come something
this is una 13 azondeka ndiko posta mama siboni as divine
no ti the age yao
ti the age yao
age no yamba age never that's why
ndikwamba someone who's posting
okay if you
they
posting
might know the age
if you posta na vanhu kwamba zvinhu zvidopita zina sexuality ngangomu ti ini na ko post
mara miyo vamba zone ka show
the show in age limit so this is how you do it ukidaka social media ti mwana wanu limitani
mama's boy
mwana
ara ini niko rengisa mini hapa mwana wanu amapo anakwenda ona ivaka TV mwana mako abona mwana wanu uri mfara ngomboro mwana wanu ara lingoduva akobvera rori
mwana ngojena guy
that's why you
feel mwana wanu ti
that's why you feel mwana wanu kana family yanu ti when it comes to social media
na mitela mini social media une was supposed to cover bathu
no listen no mwana wanu abaka social media ne simple like that mara asipena mtu no diwo rimini ndi mwana wanu you can even check no options mazinawo unaotona vana but they never talk about their kids vana oskido
so ifani
ya oskido no mona ka TikTok ana kudzia
no vana vawe tikombo mwana
rikwamba ngala reality show ine reality show chibva udobva phi Nema
mwana
wakho imini vana vavo pabvisa na mina vaya mudhiva ngona namisa shimda dzina badozoni pono mbona tikanto
so jambo na mi out of netsunguru na vatu vane vadoni mudzori nope when it comes to my family
vatu hapo nirimin mafungo vatu vatoshimisa vutuna kana uba mutu kana mbiriyo vabalera vachikomenta kadzimini social media
akisema vana vavatu
azusemana ndotohamba
kamusi
so vatu nirimin kama niribudze ka comment
ndingangofana kwamba zvo kuti marika ndofana kusemiwa
mara
okay
asedzo yanga ya mapolisa narina taidzo asedzo yanga so raro ndikombori WhatsApp kana fimini asi WhatsApp ine ndivana ine ngena mpa number phone ndi Facebook namsinzi mungana wanu if you not careful about your security features whoever you don't know will come and comment to you and say mama's boni and chancera nta mufuni urazveyamba zvone mblokeni
mara watu wa Facebook vadonitakadza wanisema pedzani invite
inbox
aniseme
but at the inbox faida zvina ndikosokotoamba ndakosokwambavo vadhiva hayi ndobona nelenguye post ka pastor vari pastor nyona ku expose prophet mangmango no
je what
yeah ela out yo damba chika ka wolo yawe ngange ka inbox busy daddy papa what amudita screen grab at
blessings
uko poster ona mntwana ko amba chika afa ka wall busy na inbox yanga ngapo kombidza papa daddy
and ushuti bad ngoni busy niko entertain
Zahara what to explain ariko check ko office DJs boo yo TS records yachi wana 50% the royalties I wana 50% zvine nichiya cards record label azvitei ni namba na wana 30 40 20 10 ngobona. And then awana zori futhi awana futhi uri
Ai.
wakwambori ona publishing yawo yote ya music wawe. So publishing rights zioniwa nga-Zahara. Una 50% as royalties.
Ona 50%. That's all child. That's all child.
And then just Bua explainer. Ako semesa zori ho muthu. Akitoka test record, she was a millionaire. She had money. She had cars.
You have your account here.
The money she had, that's why she was able to buy cars at the party, at the mini. Problem, that's why asungulira at Tshivanga. Ngor otuwa aya drop album mbili foot. That was the platinum. Rusa ngobara yengwe. Album that's drop us 5, I think. 3 or 4. You the platinum. Just the rengisa nga month. So enokwera album yo limbololo album yo Tom. Ile album yo Tom. Loliwe. Ezi dzimwe dziyadzibvisa na dzi-DVD na mini. Atarafa kwamba chitu. And dzimwe dzi-album dziyadzibvisa under any company yomusainawo.
Ntwa.
Yeah, ni yabvisa ni album. Ile album ebvisa akitoa cho travel na overseas cha Toronto, acho gumba Washington. That time she had money. This is Buku Rambori. Even if you check her bank, if she can pull her bank statements.
Yeah.
Around the time she left, she had money. She was a millionaire. But the problem, which wanna mismanagement, and you wanna go back and blame other people. And then it goes on none of this album. Gamram sitting Zorimini, Anchana Cherede. Album Cherede. She never complained. She never say anything.
And so Zori is on Zori Nduyawe, Mini, Zuko Jiwa.
Yeah, and then if I think yeah, come on Zori, and then the owners the Erenga late. I think one of his album Taro Chumba Zorengand.
As much as Ndango Erenga.
Oh, rent.
Hey, the comma, they don't mean as I own.
Yeah, Ojanga Banga. Ojanga Banga and Ako Janga Chunga Chamusi. It was late. The Musi one of his albums was Taro, if not 4.
Mara, what we should know, ne? Mwanamo the young about clean is in. DJ's boot the young about clean.
What he said was like
records the young about clean.
Yeah, Mara. And this is the one thing I reveal again. Uri Zinat was doing this Uri and Ukoroda Universal Zahara. So it's either what you release over an album. Or una the advance the album there. So ukoroda one. Mara something's never could generate. And then when Busa go busori, Tshivanga chamusi achira as badera ngantani onwesa harwa. Harwa chibindi chiba damaged. The one you badera wakwambori ka reveal the one you badera o the bill is just badera the private hospital.
So amapungo arekole buzo ne.
Una mapungo manji ane anga dofira Zahara rababe ya farari lo diri Zahara ka revisele ka visele mabambiri
amabambiri azo mini mapunga number one ndi or artist soko sign Zahara ningaona nene asina chitori chinopfara ngori mabambiri ya sign ai ubamura zino zori nendo ya mafunga sign
nende kubona delay we one it was fair if he was getting 50%.
Hey, it was fine.
No man, it's not fair. That's way too much.
Hey, look at sharp. Yeah, sharp. One thing I know. Una that is in there's an artist like T-Pain. He was forced to do 2 albums. Obayong of Vakara Kolebul. Then Habanoro said album Mumbi, Kanataro, what I mean. Abakarakolebul. You cannot escape that thing. You will do it. Yes. That's why I found. It's all bam. It's all bam. As you do mess of that bam, that's it. I got to food around going to Shumera. I mean, one one Mara, they approach them.
Because Bad Bazori, what they do, get the album no Azori, the Zopez and Zita. Araziko Urwa.
Yeah.
They give you terms and conditions, Uribanit and Delen to Karano album, Tarwara. Give us 2 albums. Until they, don't go to Taro. Give an album until they scrape out.
Yeah.
In exchange, you're not gonna perform these songs.
Yes. And yeah, I said,
Kana arana the performer. Chere the author has royalties into the Karin. Mina minutes to be a Karin. no one na music video about shoot but that's what I mean because no are big in a long run ila album go bisa chere deni abori it's more
and album zona zi pushing ngoraro ngori I mean
mara zifene zizo zitevela za ziliza za zipusha record label ya wana chere inas joran ndova.
Yeah man, music it's music unyanga nichemuswa mumbuloni ningo diba zokutanga na mini.
No, ato namtsinisi muswa.
Ndikwamba
nchijena.
Ndikwamba ni muswa mumbuloni niche ready unoita mini unokono bara notodobara zvitu.
Oh yeah.
Niso muswa uri ni mwana. Ndikwamba ni muswa mumbuloni.
That's something. If nito zori ni big in. You are very powerful. The fact you're in a manager na mean nina record label as nip stop or ni deka men gel ni komera advice.
Hey,
ndizipyo zinozo ngaita uri ndikota music ndi sustain ndipyo imwendira inenda ngaita uri usike unenda sala even enough ndaseta music ndisara ndoima album yanga sharing like zwingi zwina nga story ndizipyo zinozo nga push or music wanga ube stronger than zwino wabazone zwi but udoni ndona rola twaita tumotori boom sima mazboya pa yoduma ndona mona ko da keke ya bala
ore hangwa
no
da keke ya bala
no braya bala keke kombango
keke kombango
no braya
McDonald
ya bala ndona McDonald no jira register job
ni nyika nini
no grande bapa McDonald.
That's the problem. It's one thing I was telling also.
Don't
welcome, this is your new host.
Mufunzi wakaragati gugu.
This is your new host.
Yeah, ni mtu wakare. There's a lot of things I think. You know, so I kind of don't worry. People don't want to pay attention.
Yeah.
And then imagine, but pushes are iTunes, the Spotify.
Yeah.
And then what people don't realize, no, Spotify doesn't pay.
Hey, I think that one, yeah, that topic is going to be long.
Yeah, it's going to be long, but we know. So long as Spotify, you don't really make money.
Yeah.
For another YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube streams.
Yeah, I think our next episode we should talk about that whole thing because
I'm going venda mwana push Spotify adatongisa uri
Spotify ndinyo mtu anobadira 50 randa kana 100 randa yitori mtu
but I know one artist there's an artist
because sinyanga minchelede YouTube nyanga data pads you can watch.
There's an artist that I realized that artist sitting on about 182,000 streams.
Mamas boy, you need
plus what thousand
50 randa
on YouTube,
Spotify plus
data.
And then ningasi 20 megabytes.
Hey new.
Emuna habemona
what banjwa somrore baba to bajinza account dzawa like Spotify or dotso wa chelede.
Mungona ane aba na Android phone una YouTube. Nyedozo.
Yeah, na iPhone.
Mara wawe ya kondo YouTube.
Hai. Inakana karo ni taruchedzeri. Niliche utoda.
Oh yeah, mara no zino di.
No, aiko be konda. Aiko be konda land. Come on. You're on YouTube. Don't worry.
Ai mara.
Wa musanda wako usione.
Ayo mara. Even do you think
sorry utonga mini mama zibati kwamba zwawe utonga fula kasdungera fula size ida alidila yeti ino letalo leti ko humpandira jana ngapla leko jana ngapla
imam fanyito ndafa iwadi jiri ifa agamba so ndafa imwajiri amara femini ngeno ndibudera man ndona mtoko ya mudini wa mumu sukusuka ari abu
kana waneziwa
Elio kama bodana zora zoria zubona
ni 18 hapo na
Ni wale mtu oba ndingafastere ti mkekurubedera ezolo kuona yangi ukotre asika aras jendi yangi kaini niko tsa mule chafas kana ko danga fast pensi nziswa na jeranga mabidani yangobera kapodari zina beli ko tro chani ngotro mina yana nikebona class stress cho off bvanga mabidani uri mara ni chiati no fendo rona na bidla mule la mfetu na fira
na umba
ndiyo ele bidani za koronga ri ele bidani za ndi ruwa ndo mara ona mtu odzula pala tala achapare yazino
na ndo lo mutijera ngako rikobe wabe so basta 9 mini.
Well, okay. First question that I have, I've been asking for quite a long time.
Yeah.
For grand Busta una mingwa minga, and I keep getting different answers. Bangu bari ndio na offer 20. Bangu bari no ukabuma 30 something.
Producer Dan need to really check it up.
Bangu bari no udona kofeni amtu mingwane. Fana mama's boy achinga una 15 ana 40.
Mama's boy ni murwane man.
45.
Mama's boy Dan veka kamera. Babone mingwaya.
Na 45 ibara. Unga 15. So watoka mbori Busta ndi mtu mtuku. Utobora una kopi na mtu murwane. Muwako ngori no ndithanga yawe ngori ola ngori na 17. Busta otena.
Veka kamera
otena 20.
Na mingwa mingana.
Dani ma.
Tini ngofara ntuli.
Ngofara 45 dani nga.
Rini.
September.
Nikamba.
Dani ma. Out 10 noni.
Mwazi avule.
Uko para 45. Mara utongari una 15.
Ngati 30 za September ndito wani kuita 38 years.
Komara mtoko para
serious ndo wa phone. Ndinche basa.
Serious diva. Ari nayo.
Ndichimrana basa.
Zorini murwane ti watu bakare vachimre na basa
kezo oriprovera
ndikomba license
watu bakare vachimre na basa tlamini two fish nokono kara ni ona neta sokuzula ka khona ya chipaza are
danumfana zori Busta
929
Busta 929
unamwa mingana
shaka nika Google.
Yani ka Google.
Niri Busta.
Abe hawe za chizino fi adzina ka Google.
Ndi opposite.
Operation Puppet.
So Busta 929. Busta ufukwe ndikoma mabungo itaho antu ndi okay fine mwana muzana
na 17
and kwamba uti wa legal
haya mafunga confuse
Busta 929 BA
I think bari achifara 16
BU
wana fara 16
illegal
bangwe bachamba bari uba illegal but not kakathanga dzawe
abezino Busta nejana 16 izvi
kathanga yawo vangufu va legal
Busta yejona 16 izvi
ya kathanga yo tonga ruwa kana vari uba legal
thanga yo ndifiyo
ndi ava vane vari vafumakadzi nyomulezori abe thanga yavo fi mara zviyatisa zvimwe ngori ufi mutu munna utomara mufumakadzi nomufira nga 5 years
Busta Rico
disa
Busta 929
avari pe phone riputedze
929
makwa ngoyu ututsanganedza
ndari ngopazori mutu uba legal alini
no eso is confusing man
now uthi abeito ba legal naziba
awuthi
now uthi yaba legal
no ba legal le ngwameka
ntonga kare arindri charuwa kare wabo 18 izi
neti dibu no ba legal le ngwameka
wabo 18 abe wondi ndi bakare wabo 30 na legal wabo legal ndi ba 30
it was
mezwe abe ola mure wazuba ngori wana wamzana ana 12 years waita zvina kuita zvone
ya Mumbeki for prevent waita mini kathanga yawe
ndi hani ndinyi thanga yawe
okay
Busta 929 na mingwe mingana
tangi so tsanganedze chito
so Busta okaka
namona
31 and 34 aba kungwala zvone
between nepo
ahuna rina minwaha yawe ya vukuma
hey mara
at least ndo amba mingwe yanga yabukuma
smazori ya okay ari 30 uya ka 34 na mwana wa na msidzana wa 17 years
jana ngadeni
asiya mwana
mwana una mwana
wa mdu o wana buga
mwana una mwana zwi
mwana achikolera danu na mme wako
purity lo left and right
odiya mwana wa grade 11
purity lo left and right hey shed your kera ya left and right
yes
kona ringeti zangu ndasa duru ngositira nini
nani nganoritema rodzirapa aramba ngo atotemba rikatausa kwacheni
so basta smazori
basta okaka
mini
ngori
asike mwana wa 17 ana 30
mara ezwi zitangana na ngori mwana wa mtukana wa 17 hafi owanela akho kaka kamutu arina 30 kana 25
ufu blind
nandu mara life inga ngondira
mama boya wanana na vangu mukugurwa 50 years ndivubya
ai arari bobachi chimranga GP kana nga viano ai
zodwa zinangenda zone
kola zodwa kola so mizi
mara life is ngeke mama
life
uri basta okaka okay
munna wa kakara ku kamwana
hayi ifani abeligala uthoma kabugayi
mara sibe unizana chambora after 12 we eat after 12 ndi lunch
hayi
zona nyo familia yo
ifani
usiyezo
ezwa mzoborani
Africa there is a UGP na already ngunobechera mwana wanu nazi chere nami nazote after achira okay arembe ngasasa abe 18 years sasa yamkhatha zomro onwa adult umntu
zvino
mazondi
uri basta okola chede sasa
the 18
ini
mazondi 18 years
yeah after 18 years sasa yamkhatha nne ari ni mwananga ni na 18 anichawela anda nne kakazi police
ba visa findi munna
visa ndato ndimwalisa inu mune thungo
all right mazo basta okaka
mara ini uri basta akotadzo la chede sasa
sasa na
okaka
bana
basta okaka
sasa zabo mwana kwebe ngapha kupese
okay so ifani oyo mwana ni oyo musidzana oyo muzana ifani oyo muzana aba na thumbu ngathanga kamthweni aba na 17 zishapo
ningabana mwana ni bana ningwana unokola mina
azoshapo na muzini
anisho mina uthi niko kudipendela ko bani mbaby
okay
niko roje kudipendela wanda mizino
hayi
elungu wa radio ai
elungu lifa
elungu ro join radio
elungu
ndidoni budza
elungu lifa
ko chacho ri legend wothoma kale anke vakadibana po ma 11
ndani chiyopa kale
ledo acho ko ruzwisira nepa vatu amavva
ndawo podcast dife mina fafa
so okay mama boya nampindo
ya basta okaka
arari ningathanganti abana mwana bukati hapo it was zone
uyangana ndi okay nowadays awuna problem
no it's not nowadays it's just these days ziyakono access yari yakono zibona ngori una social media una mean it has been happening that's what ndiko nimbera rimbura dunkero ibalete dikare zizi nyimbo zione zikuitiwa utobori now it's there
basta ndiyinga okakalwa murayo kana okakalwa rwa batu
ngwana una buga una 17 una 17 basta
okaka according
to rwa batu utofariwa
basta
ana 16
this days we only 16
tourist to rape
rango kaka zwini hango kaka basta
hango rape otokaka
rwa batu nekana rwa murayo
rwa batu kaka kare no kaka
rwa murayo okaka
kamurayo right
all right kezo nyofa zone rwa murayo ushapo
rwa murayo basta all right
rwa batu
okaka ndi mtuko la mwana
kezo
marara ene mune mwana
that's why
asongo fostiwa order
Marino, do you know that we have one bad influence that I see these days. even of a baby, they are at fault, big time. Ngari, if you look at what happens on social media, the mother is taking naked pictures or half-naked pictures, posting on the social media. The father is doing the same or taking pictures with different girls. Like, everybody does whatever they want to do, they're doing whatever. And the kids are seeing those things. And they believe this, that's the life. And you need to understand, this thing was there all along. But it was not public enough. And back in the days we had Womkulu that were way respected, maybe Stratani, Dina. So it was not easy to misbehave. Now today's Mkulu or skinny jean.
Are we up a lani or mama's boy? Arari meow one about Maponga so. Inoka kano yaka profile yang one as canary. Meow no white so. Are we an apple? I go be an apple. No, I go be an apple. No, I go be an apple. Fine to confess. Eh, you got rose. Then can the meat was only facing the moon. When one anger, Zorin the one, yes. Why are the no, the Martinori? You can't control what people say. Marava, yeah, Lotangana, Lotangana, and in Gombrori. Tangana, IoT. Ish, you talk as some Chimbalani, not a Makhams. The way 18. This one do a Mara, but my chamber baron dim to a Makham, dim Shimu Makham. Oscar Mama's boy, producer Chekereapo. Makham, the employee that cheated at the retailer. Makham or one other. Eh, I'm looking at all. I'm not show me. Okuitan. The Asikipengo. Who write Lamtu? I send no fungus nor got Mr. Vet copies. I write him. Rodam such is no checky one worry. All right. I let over the vehicle, Mama's boy check it up. Check out about Yami. Can I want to woo and I Facebook? Yeah, Jenga Google. Facebook, Jenga Facebook. Google Shash. Oh, okay. Richard Mama's budget check on what guy. So all of Andile Mpisa and Yavonan. I'm going to pay for computer funny human. Or Mangoti, computer funny. No, but I'm just Gomisa funny. I think how you present yourself and then how fans react to your music. Now I've listened to some of his tracks. Ne? I listen to everything. To blind? No. A zero. Why? Anashiki. Anashiki. It's that thing of having access. That's why you want to rap about TV. Because I want to so they just do music because they can afford music video, they can afford PR, and then they want to chow these girls over all over. They just want to be famous. As Mapung, what are you doing the craft because they can't even rap about what's happening on the street, the life we live in Kasi. They can't sing about it, they can't rap about it because now they're just doing music because they can afford. So that's how you find music does not longer have a value. Because some artists never worry about the music. Money maker. Comes and grow us to say. And then Pisani, I'm going to Sophie. Fun enough, you can go there and go as a freestyle the way the beating Amaduba. And they will still enjoy. Yeah. They still enjoy. I better worry you. Okay. The way and drop. The 18, yeah, man, this is the Street Talk podcast. We do what's anyone and I'm rolling with Mangayo, Orangakati, Yavafundi, Gugu. So you need to understand Romana comes of Bishop, who serious no like Kenny, serious no Funza. What you want to storage? Where are you from? Too many numbers. Too many bike, too many ambe. Oyi Mushumi, di Mushumi wa Maka, whatever. employee decided to poo.
Decided to knee.
In the store after the store manager denied her from going to the toilet.
Okay, I want to come to that. The same one around, I don't call. It seems like but let's be honest. Why is it this manager so cruel when it comes to employees? Because when you talk about the
deadlines,
what about Dara Mara? What for 5 minutes? Manager just pingati. You wanna oima? No, you wanna manager oima? No. Anyway, man do something man guilty. But of Makazi, Amanda man don't understand. Quiet toilet in a mini.
Yeah.
Amanda you run a mini. You need to let them because I give from Mundo gono part. But Zifanam's no restaurant. Too much finger ni chiwana ori. What's going to be one on Zotangana Canana? You saw go be vacant. You want to home to for the whole day. Oi, Mapalani manager, no business phone, come on a Mangana Vawe, can go to Nafu, no Mona. Mara employee, they can't do anything. Come on. Has it and there in Azori, did anything, Zimu, like to even go to the toilet? You want to Karunach. I'm saying this because I've seen it happen.
Guy, no one's good guy.
I don't know if I can't mention the name. I've done in service in one of the stores. But I mean, inside the bag and in game man. There's this other shop there. It's one of the big retailers. We worked the whole day. I mean, like going to lunch, they will tell you that we are busy. You must be back here in 15 minutes. Dude, you say toilet.
I don't know lunch.
Nah, don't know 15 minutes. And the worst thing for the line and the kind of Zoom that you have dog more.
Ah, Maras indoor. Poto.
That the line and that the line dog more. That what I mean, Lanzu. Nukomona ndeko lani ya.
Bagati. On the done.
I was working kalani ya dog more. Emuna, nije pesa la. Nije pesa loaded as dog more. Nije ko to ani ko jela. Wari mina lele cha wada bena ko zati. Dog more zofera. Hala ke gro mokho ba chirenga dog more nga ko rengera for 6 months. No one of just was mange. Na dog more zofera. Just finger manager. Only farang when the rain. You wouldn't come back tomorrow, and that's what happened. I didn't go back the next day.
Zitia balipo meloni ne uzuraba tuba inter watu wapambana nao. Yeah. Une customer ito farwa sama fura kom. Azuna ya busuru zoga gai. Customer farwa sama fura.
No, it's not for me. Customer. Ngorna watu wana wachijina Flabba dalera mani farsa zumwevo customer ana then vizatilini una line yari yano todera teki
mara umwe nafa say don't worry say didonda GHLip yangeni abatsora we manepa GHLip abuyanacho zino ini chipi chikaya hapa zino ndirwe mini hapa ndirwe nemune ndirwe hapa
nga manesa clinic zino wasina mishanga ndremi
Oh, you into what? Bakungufuna badi. Finyi ka TikTok. One nese badi. Bakumufuna unori mapungane kwete one. Ndikombori abene clinic na buza mapungwe nozo mutira bakwamba one. That's his best service at its best.
Yeah.
The best
I think
the best service
I try to enjoy videos za ofana na matomoni.
Na mecha enjoy
because now
we don't enjoy.
I think ukote wana bamwe bathu no doro mungwarera content.
Yes.
I chaba that hype bad, like it used to be.
Customer service at its best.
No, besides best customer service, it's for me.
It's the same thing.
I chaba na that funny part because Back then I was
It's the same thing.
do so no do mini.
Rodo do mini.
Uko te wona
Ini
ba do mungwalela.
Asino biyo mura bane pa. Maruta mini.
Ba do mungwala zimwe content dzine. So there was the different.
Kachinchema. Katika kachinchema.
Are the TikTok or receive what do you think about this?
Review wedding.
Review.
The same thing that we're going to do Ramzo Visa music video. We're going to review it, I think, on the other channel.
Yeah.
The review is going to be happening. So guys, just for you guys to know, we have another channel.
1 million channels.
We have another channel.
Limpopo Online TV.
Limpopo Online TV. If Visa the reviews, that one, short reviews.
You know,
yes.
Do you know, I want to tell you something. Actually, I wish I was showing you.
Yeah.
I did a review in Dear Ricardo.
Yeah.
Youngster.
Yeah.
I can't post it.
I
failed. For the first time I cried.
Yeah, because it was personal.
For the first time I cried.
Yeah.
Like I remember people were like, why don't you cry when there's things?
Yeah.
Ndo visa mwe mitozenda wanori. Ela video ndo uploada.
Ingova zwino. Sorry.
Sorry.
Tutopora mama.
Nah, I'll be okay. Emuna ela video ndo visa. They posta mro wati. The unleashed. Because I felt I can't let people see me cry.
They check. Guys, so Limpopo Online TV.
I'll send you the link
to my channel. Read the reviews. If you have anything that you want us to review,
yeah,
we'll review it from there. We'll tell you more detail about the song.
And I will grill you.
We'll grill you even there. We'll grill you more than We are talking about, this is a podcast. We don't review anything. We just talk about things and we say it the way it is as well here. So, unangwa channel ya Shino Limpopo Online TV, uneria review. So, music video actually album album Sergina Fizi. We're going to review it there as well. Music video Ramzi Mboporo
what is this guy?
Go do review
on number magoni machena. Alamdunyala. Android Beats.
We're going to review stuff as well. Muchuchu.
Yeah.
We're going to review stuff as well.
Queen Popo. Hey, Queen Popo. I want to tell you something. This is something I haven't told her.
Yeah.
Queen Popo is big in Zambia.
All right.
It was something. When I get even the question like, when is she dropping again? It was so funny. Like when I got like text like, when is Queen Popo dropping again? There's people. I'll find that song again. There's people who never Kwambori. There's a song she dropped. I forgot the name of the song. But Kwambori, they were healed by one of their songs. Like this other one talking about like my heart was broken. Wara wara. Hey, I was feeling this way. This song really did this. There's guys from India. Remember that guy that said we must start reviewing Indian comedy and videos and fight scenes?
Yeah.
That guy was like, there's people that really loved
Queen
Popo so much. And they follow all her music.
Queen Popo, shout out man.
That's one thing we say.
Shout out lady, shout out woman.
People can undermine you where you come from. But you never know where your success come from.
Yeah.
Because I was
official album they wanna in a official album is officially Adolfo obviously. Yeah. So
I think she needs to release.
If you want to see the full review, all these things then come bangazo.
Yeah, it must come.
CRG album na Fizi, music video wa Ramzi, Mboporo, Queen Popo, album yawe.
Abangabona is Makham.
Tune into
Limpopo Online TV.
And also if you want to see the full review and the full
reaction, this is one thing that we're gonna say, guys. We also gonna be reviewing your songs on Twitter.
Yes.
The plan is to have when you drop an album, we're gonna play it live on Twitter.
Yeah.
Finally got the application that allows to play the song on Twitter. Like if we playing it, it plays on Twitter and people can tell us what they think about this.
Yeah.
So man, we're gonna play your songs on Twitter, trying to promote guys and all that. So look out for that, guys.
Yeah.
Like
there's a lot happening.
Yeah.
So tune in to that channel, Limpopo Online TV, and a few reaction ya Makadzi,
Namukosi.
Ihona Nepala. Ihona Nepala.
Bazwana bako hagana.
Bazwana bafarelana ti. Bazwana bafarelana.
Different unafazi izindu.
Bazwana bafarelana.
I'm not sure the guy. But what I like in Diori, it shows you Uri, the artists mostly they don't have a beef, they don't have a problem. But they are mostly influenced by friends and fans. Before fans, it's what friends says on social media. It's what they tell you. Bonazi. Enyo, Bonazi liya Roman. Nikombera au.
Amara ushapu nga sasa ti. Ula sasa ti ishapu. Ushapu ti. Hadi ulanga kuona sasa na rafu futi. Ulele mini. Nilele mini kuona safi na rafu.
Amuna njoko ba.
Ndompera butungo kuona sasa na the rafu.
It's a Matthews kombera sasa. Yo guys, there's one artist in there. We're gonna say this now.
Yeah.
And when we're saying it now, people might find out late. Issa Matthews is one of the artists that can do rap, sing, produce, do a lot of things. And when people don't know Ndiori, Issa Matthews Muraudzi.
Okay.
So we're gonna stop right there. Just mark that name.
Yeah. I think we're going to have him on a podcast.
Yeah,
soon.
we're gonna have him in a podcast because we're gonna have him again. We're gonna hang out with him probably next month.
Yeah, we're going to have.
We're gonna have him in our show. We're gonna chill with him, and it's gonna be crazy, man.
It's going to be a lot happening. Ndabona na aka Obvisa filming. Chipiriti, Chaharwa.
Obvisa Russian Bear.
Yeah. Ngona utongazi ya Russian Bear ngora zinga. Ndabona mo commentary di madi ayo. Hey, but bakumshekera bad. Ndabona filming Chipiriti izo zantu. Zinga madi. Zinga madi la suna mina. The
flavor is over what you want to go to not what you want to iwe mama's boy.
And kwa misi hapa.
Zinga toto.
Ani kwa
na kumeza ndo ngosro.
Also kuwa.
Dani pa bani bona zoni yani.
Nani chama?
Toto intermi. Okay, ngoma intermi. Okay, toto.
Don't mani.
Ora ni kwa sababu kipaseriasi.
Toto. Ini kumla 50 years yote niko na toto ningadika.
Bila tola marai.
Kana baba.
Busy. Nijiko tumana pale dari. 1 2 1.
Toto ibulaini. Toto. And
people must drink it.
I think the whiskey, the vodka.
Yeah, no one china. Mara problem when you already what release I have fun and taste.
Man, I didn't want to wait. Come on, the company tea.
On the New Town.
Company didn't wait.
Okay.
Company
and you know, last time when I spoke, I checked, it was costing like something like 140 own a gin. 140, 160 own a gin.
Oh, but
yeah, flavor their brandy one I mean.
140,000.
Yeah. Now the wafuti, nichiko irengisa nga 320 unless in urinte profit you 320 and don't have markup. Comes at 400, then you make it even more. Then wine it was something around between 40 and 70. But depending on the deal that you have, because bango bativa kono negotiate the deal is already the chirengisa to kono badera. Returning bango was kono badera kati right as Come on.
So most of the billion tonga 300.
Yeah. But there's something big. Just people are not paying attention. Pay me and I'll give it to you.
Or we'll do it for ourselves.
Yeah, but we'll do it for ourselves. And you guys cry.
We'll do it.
Something.
I
know it's about remember him.
Okay.
Now I'm sorry. Ndibandi rongo na.
Samuimbi. Okay.
arali imwe ni muimbi norali niko shumo posta zvi status zvanu niko pusha maybe niko album kana nina single neko dobva rini rini aniko ntsendera uri ndini pushe niko sokoro posta na vakazo arali nanda ndisa kuiposta niko umfoinana nambo sori muna ndonisa kupusha suzvanga
ndova ndio fulani ndisonguzvibona
hayi
ndi wrong
ani wrong
because zvembisa ngori most of the guys venenda chira navo they are doing things vasambudzi
ano important
vasantsenderi
mara hayi fine point yangu ndiyori those guys they expect him to post it asazvidivi
ambeti murori mwafoni uchita screenshot oti dziyaruza quality las nichipoposta zvisina quality iva problem
so rende zviyambe namusi apa noni ndingapa murara wakamera narali ni muimbi nawo ndichirifuna kuguma gayi nava nina something chenda kuti ichisa vatuni personally nangu nosenda ka group anongosendera nenosendera group don't send it personally to show ri ndiwendemeka vuchuru hanu ndidonipusha ndidoniposta
I don't wanna get my body gonna do one day. Talking about songs in on top Visa man. Over as your cousin social media. Owi Jason. Over as your cousin social media.
Warakodo mrovari araro yavecha 80 nditatu posta ndidiwori noya biani
Owi Jason
mara I want to tell you something Owi
no for mbonone
titurufa
but yeah Romeo na imwa
but I trust Owi Jason ndongula ngwezelo lakare I trust him so much because that guy drops something like actually releases something he makes sure it's bold like atikwamba rurimbo rwatakadza kana mini ndikwamba the boldness of the quality of the deliverance
he always give who he is
go hold up
ninyo post up okay Owi Jason featuring Romeo featuring Arnold songs 4 liter
4L 4 liter ya ma hey argeze huku 4 liter ya mahafe
ruko wana
4 liter ya jibuku
Owijezo okay ruko wana ka YouTube runa rover 20 hours ago runa almost 300 views ngwana people are commenting very keep it up this is number 1 I love this
the play up win
zorotama Opo okay
Opo ina volume listen to that boldness and thickness of the voice listen to this. Do you know when you're eating something, you're drinking something, the thickness and the boldness of the deliverance. Mangelo jona apengwa.
Venrap Radio iyambenga haurimbo.
This one doesn't the chimushina cha kale rumwe. Oh wabara. Oh wabara.
Give me my phone. Give my phone. Oh, this is a nice song, man. This is a nice song, man. Mr. Jason.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you now. How are you doing, my guy?
I'm beautiful. How are you?
I'm good, man. I know this is such
Mr. Boldness,
man.
Mr. Execution, Mr. Delivery.
What's up? Talk to me.
You're live on Street Talk Podcast. I'm sitting with our producer, it's Mama's boy. I'm sitting with Nema, my co-host. You're speaking to Mengail. 4 liters in. 4 liters.
4 liters ya mahafe.
For life, not for liter.
4 liters. 4 liters.
For life.
It's for
not
life.
4 liters ya mahafe.
4 liters. Before let's see. 4 liters. 4 liters. Sure, man. My guy, you have been away for a longest time.
Yes, I have.
Dude, I don't know what happened. Did you deactivate your Facebook and you were like,
no, let me explain. I did not deactivate it.
Just keep quiet.
I deleted my profile picture just so it can be blank,
Okay.
so that I'm not visible.
Okay.
And then I deleted the app on my phone.
Okay. For how long?
yeah.
For how long?
I think 4 months.
Dude, so you survived 4 months without Facebook?
It's like that, man.
Yeah, sometimes you gotta cancel the noise.
He does that all the time. I'm used to that. And when he comes back, he gives us something different. He gives us some great music. Like one thing I always tell Owi, Diori, what I love in Diori, doesn't compromise his voice. He does not switch up to trends. He sticks to his own sound. I've told him before. That's why I was telling you, listen to the boldness, listen to the smooth, listen to all those things. You'll feel like I don't know ice cream at the fun. You can tell hey, ice cream is thick, hey, no is smooth, hey, no in muddy. So when you listen to the execution and deliver of the song, that's what you hear when we drop something.
So
Hello,
yeah. Talk to us.
did you like the song?
Dude, we were playing just now. We were jamming just now, and we're playing it live on Street Talk Podcast. We
found it online and we played.
I was like,
I appreciate you guys.
I was like, no. Jason is back, and he said he's going to release a song, man. So was it you when you were saying that on the song saying that Ndungu was settler? Was it you?
No. The line was set like the gun tune. Romeo.
I thought it
so
was
okay.
nice.
Let me. No, it's fine. Let me just explain a little bit so you can understand how the song came about. I was chilling with my boy, right?
Okay.
And they were talking like grown men stuff, like, oh yeah, I don't know, Aruas, like we're older, we're no longer like 2022, like we damn near 30 now, we're 30 plus.
Yeah.
So we're like where are we like right now in life? And the guy was just like, yo, me, I'm down to settle. And then the beat was playing in the background, and the other guy was on the song is my cousin.
Yeah,
and then he was like, I think it's time to settle, because he was listening to what we were talking about, and we're like, actually we can make a song about where we are right now in our lives, so let's just go. So he went in, and then
so the other guy is Arnold.
Yeah, Arnold.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
So Romeo went in first, I went in second. I kill all the time.
Dude,
and then
you're killing them, man. It's like you never left. You're killing them, man.
I'm telling you, I don't play with this mic, man. I don't.
But tell me here, man. What makes you come back, Niri? I wanna release a song. You could have come back and posted it and
that's it. And one thing,
that's it.
And you need to understand. If you check, most of the ladies loves his music so much.
100%.
Every moment when he comes back and do something, you'll see how they react, how they celebrate. But he never pays attention.
Dude, tell us.
Utombongo, I think music is a beautiful curse. You will always come back. You will always come back.
It will always find you.
Music itself.
Yeah.
The music itself, it always it's forever ringing in my soul. So whenever I get on the mic, it's gonna happen every time. I don't miss.
Dude, you never miss, dude. And I'm your friend on Facebook, on other social medias. Tell me if I'm wrong, right? No funny quote. There are some songs that you play which kind of like they're not out yet. So can we expect more songs from you now, because you are back?
Definitely. I'm working on my third project now. It's called Enchanted Moon.
Yeah.
So I'm going to record track is 100, but I'm only going to choose 10 out of 100 songs.
Last time you did 80, right?
This guy has so much music, but the problem.
Last time you did like 80
remember he struggled
songs.
Even when he dropped that.
Unreleased or released?
No,
and he has to choose.
When he released that album, the last album, he had so many songs that he struggled.
Or whatever,
or EP. He struggled to choose songs for that EP because he had so many songs.
Yeah, that's very true.
What inspire your album naming or your EP or mixtape naming? Because last time it was Black Diamond.
Yeah.
Now what?
Now it's Enchanted Moon. So Enchanted Moon, venda I was having a deep conversation with my grandfather, and there was like it was a full moon that night.
Oh, yeah.
And the stuff that he was telling me was the stuff that I want to sing about. And the whole time I was just looking at that moon, and I felt very inspired to create. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to call this the Enchanted Moon.
Because from my side, right, I think you are also influenced by some Chinese, whatever,
Japanese kick,
Japanese, whatever, Dragon Ball Z kind of things. You get what I'm saying?
Check.
Some Vietnam war there.
I'm inspired by cultures. Like cultures along the young exciter. Because I feel like they know something that I don't, and I know something that they don't. So if I try and learn, I vibe to a different energy. And maybe that's what makes me different. I want to go to the unknown, to the fucked up area. You feel what I'm saying? To the I don't understand, but I'm entering. But I'm inside.
So okay, whatever you're going to release, and whatever we don't know if it's an EP, mixtape, or album. Can we expect Owi Jason Tshivenda nyana pala
Yo, that's a very good question. I'm happy you asked that question.
Yeah.
This time around, I went home. I'm telling you. You heard on the song.
Yeah, I did. That's what I'm asking this question.
The last thing, you know what? Offline, when this is done, I'm gonna send you a few of the other songs so you know what I'm talking about. Hey, it's alright.
You are back, my guy. You're back, my guy. So, okay, who can we expect from the project that you're working with now?
Right now, Dina Floyd Best already on the tape.
One of the best. One of the best. One of the best.
Dina Romeo. Romeo is my brother. We always work out.
Okay, second grade one, Floyd Best, Romeo.
The great one, Romeo.
Yes. And then I'm no longer excited by niggas. So it's just me. But I feel like he's worth looking at. Is that boy JR player? I wanna talk to him.
I was talking about JR player. I think a few days ago, right, dude?
Yeah.
The nigga's good. The nigga's good, man.
It took his time to be crafted.
The nigga's good.
Get him. I want to challenge him.
Yeah.
I want to challenge him. I want to show him something that he does not know.
Yeah, I think, you know what? I think you and him on the song, it will take him out of his comfort zone. He will.
That's exactly what I want to do.
He will. Cause 100%. Because I remember the song that you and I did, right? That song took me from my comfort zone to somewhere where, you get what I'm saying? So I think,
you made him retire.
He didn't drop shit after that shit.
And I didn't, dude. Owi Jason, man, anything that you want to tell our listeners, our watchers, our viewers, man, before we let you go, man?
I don't think there will ever be another Owi Jason in Venda, at least when I'm alive.
I know that, and I believe that.
If I'm still alive, I don't think so.
My guy, I'm glad you're back, man. I'm glad you're back. Posting shit that you always post on Facebook. That's what we want, man. Facebook was never the same without you, man. And, man,
I'm here.
I can't wait to hear what else you're going to release soon, man. And, yeah, man, let's keep it going.
And I appreciate you guys for doing this. I appreciate it a lot.
No problem, man. Namsi Ronnie Ju, Mama, thank you for taking our
call. We like that.
It's all good. It's all love. Let's do this. Let's rock.
Owi Jason, thanks a lot, man.
Thank you guys, man.
Yeah, man, that was Owi Jason. Expect some great music. Expect some kapata thing on the hopoto thing.
Some dope.
Some 4 liter of mahafe and 4 liter of actually it's for life.
It's for life.
Yeah. So don't take me serious when he's busy doing the 4 liter.
We gave you an exclusive.
What did you say?
4 liter Yamaha. Hey, guys. You think we're just doing it? You guys don't pay attention. When we do these hooks, even though they're bad, if somebody can take it at a 4 liter Yamaha, no far na book.
Owi Jason is back, dude.
Cool.
Go watch out his song ika YouTube.
Ioneka YouTube.
Ka Owi Jason.
Yeah, man.
Official
Romeo the Great what?
Arnold.
So, yeah, all that Arnold song. So what I wanted to say, there's this guy who reacts to videos. I'm supposed to talk to that guy. I'm gonna react to his reaction when he react. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna react to his reaction when he react to Romeo.
Okay.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah, let's do it.
That guy, everybody's singing this like, yeah, this guy's good.
Yeah.
You know, cut ducks, remember ducks.
Yeah.
Hela out is you know.
Romeo.
I don't know what ducks.
Yeah, the alcohol.
Ah, tia fa ala bangwe ko ba fango ndi chikua.
Eh.
Ah, tjena mukua wa venda.
Ndio review yati, kwamba.
Yeah. Hela out ya imare. Ah, ya stop mfuna This guy has a voice of an angel.
Ika Romeo.
Romeo. Heni. Wala muna hako fasuna.
Romeo killed it.
Teacher diapla cha dianga nga English.
Yeah.
Chori chisu choneka Tshivenda. Ah, ndokoni budza.
Even that review on our second channel, Limpopo Online TV.
We did
the full review. I
was listening that song, man. That song talks to
Romeo,
me.
Man. Romeo did good, man.
Romeo did great, and I want him to capitalize. Oh, what I picked up again about TikTok. Most people focus on views,
yeah.
But if you want to make money, a lot of money, focus on people using your video or your audio.
Yeah.
You see when you guys do it in a minute. Some companies, like the distributors of music in a minute, they only pay when people use your video. Like they do your duet and what and they do stuff. That's when they pay you. But if people are just doing their own stuff and uploading
without them seeing,
and then you're celebrating how many views they have, it does not really take back to your profile. Hold on.
No, Romeo, all the way to the second verse of food. Yeah, filming. Yeah, alcohol and Neil. All the way to verse. I think Dex is loving. Hey,
this is my idea now. I want Dax to he needs to take the verse, the hook, your Dax, ne, and the chorus. Let's say the chorus,
and do his own song,
and then he hire his own thing.
Maybe a feature about Venda.
A feature maybe Owi.
Yeah.
Somebody that is gonna. Okay, this is the guy that I think can work. Dax does that. Romeo comes in. Maybe another artist comes in and do whatever. But the person that needs to close, who only needs 16 killer bars, is this guy. I mean, Tiger Boy Mukon.
Yeah.
Because what I picked up on Tiger Boy Mukon, if you give him too much space,
yeah,
the bar, even if he's doing it good, it becomes too long that it doesn't interest. But I picked up this way. This is how I did it. I took it. How low can you go?
Yeah.
The crease.
Yeah.
And I took some of the videos that Tiger Boy, and I was comparing. Okay, why do I feel I enjoy what he's doing when he starts, when he goes, and then I realized like no, it gets to be too long. It gets to be 16, then 32. What? But if he goes in at that fast pace and if 16 bars, then he chills. As Charepa fast, Charepa cannot him.
Tiger Boy is good.
That's
why he found. That's when the Kamborkela CRG. There was, I think, greatest of all time. Bomo, una Batondi, una Tiger Boba code.
Yeah.
Yo,
do you know when you switch?
So yes.
There was bars everywhere. Just to go on a slow pace, Romeo something. I'm telling you, it's gonna be something else.
Yeah.
It's just that when I'm saying it, people always look at me like, Nema, because you don't understand what I do when I'm sitting with your music.
Yeah. You are an executive producer.
No, I chop it and I'll get bored.
This guy is an executive producer.
When I get bored, I chop your music.
This guy he makes hits.
I find it.
Yes, he makes hits.
Even when I got injured.
He makes hits without even touching anything.
The Chiwai, then go discuss the hit. I wonder wesa. But as yet,
Dude, talking about that, we once did a song, Venda, which was played on
Rhythm City.
David Gennaro, R.I.P. man.
Man, do you know there's one thing? I'm gonna look for that clip. I want to compare those clips, of when that song. Neti is doing great. I saw him doing a lot of things, man. And Neti has did you see the mixer going up, down, left, right, changing, and he's sitting like this.
Guys. Yeah, I've been to studios, Mara. Hey, you blind.
Now that thing is Pro Tool.
Yeah.
You know Pro Tool? But where couldn't Pro Tool? Pro Tool, yeah, control as
People know, but no, she's a Pro Tool. Daviki, Semakleker, 980. I think, yeah, those are the guys.
Mara, who did it for you? Who did it for you?
Hi, Neti.
Hey, even. Mixer, what does a gonya water? Eh, volume is chinchana. Is this fine?
Do it up.
Neti actually is one of the best. Yeah, I don't know where he is now, but he moved to Josie.
You know.
Yeah, where someone Josie. Neti is one of the best sound engineer.
TV.
I don't know where he is, but for most of the TV shows, TV works, he's behind most of the audio, the audio quality you hear.
Yeah.
It's from big up to Neti.
Everything.
And then big up to John for being one of the best videographer, creating stuff. You know, big up to Paper Cut. People don't understand. But hey, Neti, Venda. And people don't know that we even had a song we wrote for.
Hey, Maresh.
Yeah, we had done a song that we wanted him to reflect back.
Yeah.
Actually, we did a couple of songs for different artists. It's just we didn't continue the project because what happened on the project, we'll create a concept, come up with a hook and a chorus. People don't understand the hook and the chorus are two different things.
Even myself, I don't understand that.
Yeah, you don't understand it. So we'll have the hook, the chorus, and maybe the one verse.
No comment something.
Mareba.
Hey.
That's beat makers, artists yarenga beat ya decide uishumi saya si credit beat maker or renga kamsila beating 500.
Yes.
Then achiboya rimbolonoba. Now no runa tag which being ya artist. Ya beat maker. Nichurupanga pla online ti.
Nikana dziawo ito. Kana dziawo ri?
Nyamsazana.
Ndimi 9.
Ndimia ndi michiwot panga pula na wanori oda rimbo ari chat bako rejected because of tag tushping provano rimbo runoni ndilwanga provano beat na authority kana wana deal yo shumisa hela beat kana rimbo lwamu ka TV show or something mara na bako todana muthu eto beat ko dana mingoni wana rona zwino ko da credit dza tsoperera hola munna chivo fika kaite so kana ko todana mincho prove ani muzora that is Jane Tina nazo ino creditor given or nene to beat ngori not whenever no renga beat asuka I creditor muthu
ngoms
ndimini
ngoms tukuzini ndobona chero nyo official album mara san pan the joke the inside joke we need
aibe
are there we fit them off like
ngori ndai thoma inga problem
Hey, nigga, this is a panda.
Yeah. Tukzin, I don't think he's ready to drop an album.
Besides Tukzin, I got my mom.
No, but Tukzin. I don't think he's ready. Tukzin is not ready for an album. Believe me.
Tukzin kama mani gasiri asana dumpusha.
No, how was the money going to push? He just need people that will place him. Never know if you placement.
Tukzin is a big player.
I think I agree with Nema.
Placement.
Agree with Nema.
Never took the mom jam Misaka McG.
Yeah.
That guy can blow up right now. With this one,
but
no, this is what I'm saying.
He doesn't have much to share, man.
I'm saying if he goes, una Black Friday, una mean but I'm saying if kana make jato ambanga atambela track ya finga, kana discuss a track or not even there, they just put him on somewhere. Or they market him a little bit. Just give him an exposure. That kid, sounding now, I want you to tell you something. artists are taking the gospel. He started the gospel route.
Yeah.
In Yabori, it's different. He's doing crazy gospel songs about certain semana. See? Non semana minjari. Mara nani nije kuita sona kwa
upirantu venda.
Tukzin. He's getting booked. Tiago, it's a comedian.
The reason why I'm saying Ori, agree with you Ori, Tukzin already knows the album. If you look obviously EP EP our angwita cheat. You can't go from an EP to an album if
I want to show you something.
I
want to show you something. I want to show you something.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm going to use because I have my juice.
Masaramus.
Nah.
Kapuke zondita. Hey,
let's do this.
All right. Arbone Masaramus. Okay. No fara panic.
Okay. Or this is when you're holding this.
Okay, no fara cup.
Given is Tukzin. He comes to me with the EP.
Yeah.
No, Visa EP. And if I call the bean.
On the bean.
That's what happened. It went straight to track.
Amaspara.
It went to Amaspara.
Amaspara.
That's what happened.
Visa album.
The track it dropped with Mukororo. That track needed a music video.
It can do.
It was a powerful song.
Yeah, page record label.
EP.
It was a track after the EP, but it was a single that he dropped with Mukororo. That thing, it's a hit.
Yeah.
I'm not saying, remember the hit is not a hit if people haven't listened to it.
Yeah.
That song on the street, people responded. Fine. He went and did a song with this lady that tracks, man. For you, I'm going to track up a music video. What Tondi Nabo Akoli Pechu V. Man, he did a track with Pechu V. Another gospel song, Hasha Murilo. The track, all it needed was not even a push, was just a plug and a music video.
Yeah.
Nah?
You know what? I think.
But like we said last time, the boys being shelved.
Arari into Otanya, Kambe na I think udo wana exposure food. Kaika breakfast show ya Ashifa Shaba food.
Yeah.
Kaika
breakfast ya Ashifa Shaba, abia yani para.
Yes.
Atuwe ya Capricorn.
Yes.
But one thing he needs to do, dominate the street. Whether the record label is pushing you or not.
You must dominate the street. Every Friday, share with Apa Africa. Tabani Mall. Ako uplift the artists.
Come on. Ashifa is one great guy. He gave me one of the hell of a biggest opportunity.
Yeah, man.
And people won't understand. As soon as, like, yo.
I think we should go. Hey, we should go. We should
go. We should go to Ashifa Shaba. Like, one day we just go there and we tell him, like, we're coming.
Yeah.
You know, and we chill with him after the show. I think
it's deep.
We can get that done. But yeah, one thing we're saying in the Tukzin, just need a plug, not a push.
Yeah.
Imagine, I've never seen Tukzin getting booked to DJ.
Yeah. Romu Buka was one time. I think.
But
Mashallah. And I think so.
But he struggled to play.
No,
he struggled. As a record, I wanted to tell you something. No, this is what he was supposed to do. They're supposed to teach him how to play. Because remember these days you just connect your laptop with the mixer, and then with whatever you do on the virtual DJ, you do it here down here. You don't really need, or you just go your USB knowing that you all have a 90, 120,
Uncle Baful.
One.
Uncle Baful.
And you buff.
Natacha Oreba, Uncle Baful.
Yeah, Mr. Kutumbu. It comes to at a tumbu best flattery the Kuruna. Nay, Kukuruna comes out tumbu. It's what Rangana, you know. Mutuane, Yamanda Tatunum Tuku. I am Nakota. Sunday, Yomushi, Tatu, it is Susu. I am Muchi. There's no Nana.
I am Muchinia. Even Tatu.
hang on, so that's what I'm trying to say. But yeah, man, we are about to bounce.
But before we bounce, Arabenga Flabba.
Rest in peace.
R.I.P.
I remember, I wish Raso was here, man. I remember I received when the song that Flabba dropped, the song that dropped after Flabba passed away. That song, I heard it.
Do you like I do?
Before it was even released.
Actually, do you like I do?
No.
Which one?
I forgot the name. Yeah.
I think it was, because he died when he was signed on JR.
No, they were not signed. JR does.
Yeah. Publishing.
So I got the song, like, I think it was 3 days or a week before. I'm playing the song. I think we took it even to Stelo. We played the song like, yo, listen to this Stelo. And people were loving the song. I mean, when that thing happened, Raso was like, yo, he was messed up, man. Like, that time we had access to almost every artist. We would get music, we'll talk to everyone. It was there, man.
Yeah.
That's what was Spectacle. Not Spectacle. That other one, I forgot his name, the dark one. Like,
Naves. Who's the name?
There's Naves. There's another guy who used to who is the hip hop DJ. I forgot his name.
Okay.
But it was always about love and sharing. And when it goes, man. So I don't see, even on my side, she's out on parole. The
girlfriend.
Yeah,
okay.
The family is happy.
She's out on parole.
Okay, I can't say they're happy.
happy.
I don't know how many years, because I think she was sentenced to 12 years. So probably she's 36.
Flabba, what about it?
He's biting his tongue.
I could boy.
So yeah, but family said they're okay with the lady being paroled. So I guess, yeah.
Family of Flabba is sharp.
Yeah, I saw something that said like that.
Okay.
But let me tell you, Flabba was one of the greatest lyricists.
One of the greatest.
He would play about anything.
Yeah.
told me, Nanghlezing Shayupi. Yeah.
Do like I do.
That guy will take a boring song and switch it to be a nice song when it comes in. So you are forced to listen to a song because he was on the song.
Flabba. So Arari family, you accept you Farera. Flabba's girlfriend who stabbed her, who stabbed him, the girl who stabbed Flabba, she's out on parole now, and Flabba's family has forgiven her to say she can come out.
Bundu Fubiari?
Bundu kafarero nene.
I heard so.
Don't go Bundu.
Hey, but I
industry entertainment ya music ikazi
ne kombero taxi drivers of uduma banavash. Yeah, people when their life are at stake, bako drive upon taxi drivers, please drive carefully.
No, not just taxi driver, everyone common drivers of
na
banameli ngori bato go come lo tsapo
bathane opportunity ni une awime.
Man, love you most.
Social media. Details you
yeah. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Instagram. Follow us on TikTok.
YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Follow us and our second channel in the Limpopo Online
TV.
We read the reviews out here. Check ane pala. Richana Mama's boy, our producer. Michini ngani game Rahu. Dina
Nema ya Mungu.
Nima hapo rufi Nima
ya Mungu.
Nima ya Mungu.
Guess who I have? I have Bafunzi, but Bishop, Woman Gaily, Wakarega Chigubu.
If I know the producer Nasa Nana hela doro goyo retui. Nichitangana na nani soko mpero ngara nindi.
Mara sono bora na mimi ni nezo ni mimi
ni wana
tazo nikisuka venda sani ni wana mdo ngo discuss so podcast mara singo comment
we are out here Street Talk Podcast, we out. Mama's boy, our producer, we do this thing.
Come on over to some
don't